Hello students, today we are going to start a new topic from exercise 9.4, that is simple interest. Okay, so what is simple interest? Say for example, I bought some money from bank, okay, to buy a car, and then I repaid that money to the bank after 2 years. Now after the end of 2 years, I will pay not only the money that I have borrowed from the bank, okay, but I will pay some extra money. So this extra money is charged by the bank for the facility which it provided to me. Okay, so the money which is borrowed originally is called the principal. Okay, the money, I'm just writing here, which is borrowed from the bank is called principal. Okay, and it is denoted by P. Okay, capital letter P. And then the extra money which I have to pay to the bank, okay, in terms of some percentage of the principal that I have taken, is called the simple interest. Okay, and simple interest is denoted by SI. Simple interest it is denoted by SI. In short form we can write SI. So the interest paid yearly or per annum on every rupees 100 is called the rate percent. Okay, now I have to pay some interest to the bank. So every year the interest is rupees 100, so the rate will be, say, rate. Okay, it is denoted by R. It will be 100 rupees per year. That means yearly 100 rupees extra I have to pay to the bank. Now the period usually in years for which the money has been borrowed is called the time. Okay, so for how many years I borrowed the money, so that is the time. Okay, and it is denoted by T. And one more thing you have to keep in mind, that the amount of interest, okay, the amount of interest depends upon the first one is principal. Okay, that means the money that I have borrowed, principal, and then second one is rate. Okay, interest rate that is charged by the bank, and then the third one is time. Okay, like for how long the money was kept, like before paid back. So this amount, it depends on these three factors: principal, rate, and time. Now there is a formula for amount. Okay, how to find amount? So the total money paid to the lender, okay, that is principal plus interest. So I'm writing the formula for amount. Okay, how to find the amount if the principal and interest are given? That is, the formula is principal plus interest. Okay, or simple interest, you can say. Same thing, interest and simple interest are same thing. So, and then this simple interest, it can be calculated by using a formula. So that formula I'm going to write here, SI. Okay, in short form of simple interest, that is given by P into R into T divided by 100. Okay, where P is the principal. Okay, just write here, P is the principal, R is the rate, and T is the time. So these two formulas you have to keep in mind, okay, while solving the questions of exercise 9.4. So in the next video I'll start exercise 9.4.